Hey guys, you have reached Talk About It Tuesday, and this is Regina TV, and I got something I want to tell y'all. Now I'm gonna tell you, we have been trying products on our hair, and I have been coming back here showing y'all how I cut my hair, the products I'm using, what works, what doesn't work. And last week I was telling you all that I am going to use 14 in 1. Okay. Now, y'all know this is one of my favorite hair products because it moisturizes the hair. And I was using this when I was natural as well. But it gave me a different result when I was texturized like I am now. Now, one of my subscribers asked me, will that moisturize the hair? Yes, it will. Now, y'all, what I just sprayed on my hair is water. And I want to tell y'all something about this water. Y'all already know that this water is filtered. And the reason why I'm stressing that is because one of my other subscribers asked me, what is a good way to grow their hair? Y'all, let me tell you. I have so many videos showing y'all about supplements, everything that I did to grow my hair back because in the winter, I colored my hair. I don't do a texturizer and a color. It's going to be either or. So I said, you know what? In the summer, you like rocking your texturizer, so why don't you just try the color? So I was on a new journey of cutting all that color off, y'all. And I was growing my hair out. And I was cutting my hair sometimes once or twice a week. Y'all, my hair was growing just that fast. You have to go back and look at those videos of all the things that I showed you because one or two or three or all may work for you. We did hot oil treatments. We did protein treatments. We did onion treatments. What else? Ooh, one of my favorites, y'all, is aloe vera and water. But be careful with that. You have to know your hair texture because you need to know what ratios to mix. Okay? Now, y'all know I have combination hair. I'm 4A, 4B, 4C. Okay? So the ratio that I mix up in that video, then that may, work for you. Okay, so let's get down to what I really want to tell y'all today. Y'all know that I sit all of my products around me because I told y'all I do not want to become a product junkie, and I mean that. So I have been using those products up, and when we mess with Sally Sue, I hope y'all want to see the videos of how I'm showing y'all how to style y'all hair real quick with Sally Sue, because that's another way that you can grow your hair. But I digress. Y'all, I done used up basically all those products, but last week I used Hawaiian Silk. I used Hawaiian Silk. I woke my hair up with filtered water, and I used Hawaiian Silk on my hair for a straight week. Waking it up, and it gave my hair a different type of curl. And it wasn't really like a curl. If this is a curl and it's a tight curl, it gave my hair this type of curl. It really loosened it up. It was not ugly. It was not unattractive or anything like that, guys. It was almost like a soft afro, It had some curls in it, but not, to the degree that you would want your hair curly, curly, curly. Okay, so it's still good as a moisturizer. I still rocked it. I still loved it. I still loved the way my hair looked. I did. This is a good product. We will always keep this product here. Okay. Another product that I really like that I treat my hair in the morning and at night because you're supposed to spray. I can't talk, y'all, because I'm in a rush to get out of here, but y'all are so important to me. Answering you all's questions is so important to me that I'm doing this video. I'm doing this video, so please forgive the imperfections. I think y'all care more about the information than, all that. I'm getting this video to my babies. Now, this is another one that we are going to keep. I did a video showing you where your hair may be lighter at or weak spots or whatever. So I take it, I spray it over my whole head, but I make sure that we spray it in the weak spots. And I'm telling you all, if it didn't work, I would say don't waste your money. I would tell you. And I am good everywhere, y'all. Everywhere with that. And this is Rosemary Water as I am. And I treat my hair twice a day with this. This is like a hair treatment for me, if anything else. And it looks like this. That's Rosemary Water. Okay, let's get down to the nitty gritty. Y'all, there may be a lot of different products that you can use to curl up your hair and everything. But I'm going to tell you again, Miss Jessie, I was going to put some more on my hair, but I don't need to. I told you with Miss Jessie, you could just spray this filtered water, on your hair, and look how it done curled up without me applying anything on it, just waking up the product that's on there. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? This is how my hair looked just being woken up with Miss Jessie. But, since we're on here, I'm going to put a little bit more. I don't need to, but I'm just going to put a little bit more. I didn't even need that much, y'all. Okay, so really, y'all, I'm coming by here, talk about it Tuesday. And I'm just really showing you all and answering you all's questions. If you're not trying to be a product junkie, then I would say all the products that I have reviewed for you all, and it's curling it up even more, y'all. Look at that. I got to get in y'all face because, I want y'all to see. Y'all, this stuff is the bomb. This stuff is the bomb. Miss Jessie Coiling Custard. With everything that I done ran through, y'all, I'm telling you, to moisturize especially after I wash my hair, this will put moisture back in your hair. But also, you all, this water here, I use filtered water. And I keep filling this up because I wash my face with this. I'll spray my hair with this. If you look up what's in your sink, in your lines around where you live, you got copper and all type of, unhealthy things in that water line that you're washing your hair with, and things of that nature. And your hair and your scalp and your follicles is battling that. So ever since I switched out and started using filtered water to wash my hair, that's one important thing. The next thing I did was use a sulfate-free shampoo. I don't care which sulfate-free shampoo you use. Just use a sulfate-free shampoo because it's going to clean your hair, but it's not going to strip it of moisture. My subscriber asked me, why sulfate-free shampoo? That is why. Because you're stripping all the moisture out of your hair. And I had that problem for a while. That's why I was looking for something to moisturize my hair with. And when I found this, and I had switched out of that sink water and I used sulfate-free shampoo. If you go back and look at the video, I had said I seen the difference in the first wash with the sulfate-free shampoo. And then we started using this. Y'all, I'm telling you. So then, like I said, with weak spots, I said, okay, because I'd be doing the research for myself and for you all. And this is my hair journey and I'm sharing it with you. And when I started using this Rosemary Water and I started using it twice a day, the instructions is on the back. Just spray your hair twice a day. Y'all, everything just started changing. So those were some of the things I did. Now, you can also take a supplement. We have talked about a supplement as well. A few supplements. And one of them was D3K2. That is really good for the hair. So if your hair is thinning, coming out, just go back and look at these videos, you all, because I was able to grow my hair back in a course of, 6 months with cutting it. Because remember, we was cutting the color off because by the time summer came, I wanted to be able to apply my texturizer. And I told y'all everything that I was doing, right? And look at where we are. Look at where we are. My hair just grew. It's still growing, y'all. It sure is. It's still growing. I just thought I would come by here and address some of y'all questions while I am getting ready. I have to, get ready to walk up out of here. But this is Talk About It Tuesday, y'all. This is Talk About It Tuesday. Y'all know y'all are my babies, my chameleons. I want y'all to be set with y'all hair growing. And please leave in the comment section down below any questions that you have for me. Y'all know I am going to answer you back. Now, I'm going to tell y'all this. Your girl is changing. Yes, she is. And I have another channel. So I have 2 channels that I want you all to go and support because I do not want you all to miss anything, okay? So I don't want to put everything on this channel because I don't want to overwhelm you all. But I have 2 channels. One is called Regina TV. This is where we do hair. The other one is Regina TV. Over there we do everything else, fashion shows, sales, I find, home decor, everything else that you need to know. about how I'm talking about facials. When y'all see how we getting the skin together, y'all gonna fall down. Y'all are gonna fall down. So this is the treatment that I did with my hair, y'all. I just put a little bit more Jesse's curling custard on my hair. We woke it up with filtered water. Y'all go make y'all some filtered water, or go buy y'all some bottled water. Just don't use the sink water. And get some sulfate-free shampoo. I don't care what brand you get, okay? So as always, y'all, this is Talk About It Tuesday. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. And I don't know what the back look like, but I'm still gonna give y'all a spin. And I am about to get out of here. You have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I did not address that you want to know in this video. Like I said before, y'all already know that I am going to answer you back. And until next time, till next Tuesday, I'll see you later. Mwah.